let's look at this. It says we should find sine B, cos B, tan B, sine C, cos C, and tan C from this right angle triangle. Okay? With what we have seen already in the first video, we can do this. Let's see. The first one is sine B. What is sine? Sine is opposite over hypotenuse. So if this is our B, the opposite is 5, the hypotenuse is 13. It means this is 5 over 13. We can leave it there, okay? We are also asked to find cos B. Cos B is adjacent over hypotenuse. That is cos B is equals to adjacent, which is 12, over hypotenuse, which is 13. For C, we are asked to find tan B. Tan B is opposite over adjacent, okay? That is 5 over 12, okay? For D, it says we should find sine C. Sine C. Sine C. Here is C. Sine means opposite over hypotenuse. That is, for this sine, this is the opposite. This is the line that is facing it, or opposite to it. And this is the hypotenuse. That is 12 over 13. 12 over 13. Let's go for E. E says cos C. Cos C. Cos C. This is C. Cos means adjacent over hypotenuse. The adjacent to this angle is this. That is this over this. That is 5 over 13. 5 over 13. Finally, we have F, which is tan C. Tan C, that is opposite over adjacent. 12 over 5. Okay, that is all.